In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download apps in BlueStacks X. This guide is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly, whether you're installing from the BlueStacks store or the Google Play Store. Let's get started. First, open BlueStacks X on your PC. You will see a user-friendly interface that allows for easy navigation. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. This is important because updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Once the application is open, you will be greeted by the main dashboard where you can explore different features. Next, I recommend signing into your BlueStacks account. This step is not mandatory, but it enhances your experience by syncing your apps and settings across devices. Signing in is quick and straightforward. Simply enter your credentials and you're good to go. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you want to access your downloaded apps on other devices. From there, use the search bar at the top of the screen, or you can browse through the Discover and Browse sections. The search bar allows you to quickly find specific apps or games you're interested in. Browsing gives you a chance to discover popular games and apps that you might not have known about. This flexibility ensures you find exactly what you want, whether it's a popular game or a useful productivity app. Once you've found the app or game you want to install, simply select it. You'll see detailed information about the app, including ratings and reviews, which can help you make an informed decision. This ensures you download high-quality apps that are well received by other users. Confirm that it's the right app before proceeding. Next, click on the Install button from the BlueStacks store. This action will initiate the downloading and installation process. If prompted, BlueStacks will automatically download or launch the BlueStacks app player. This integration makes it seamless to install Android apps on your PC. You'll appreciate how effortless this process is, saving you time and effort. Wait for the installation to finish. You will see a progress bar indicating how much time is left. This step is crucial because it ensures that the app installs correctly without interruptions. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that the app is ready to use. Finally, launch the app from the My Games section. You can find this section on the home screen of BlueStacks X. Clicking on your new app icon will open it, allowing you to start enjoying your game or app right away. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can jump into action without any hassle. Now let's move on to method 2, installing an app from the Google Play Store. If an app is not available in the BlueStacks store, this method is a great alternative. Open BlueStacks X again to start the process. Search for the app you want using the same search bar as before. It's important to use specific keywords related to the app to narrow down your options. This step ensures you find the correct app without sifting through unrelated results. Click Install from Google Play once you have located the app. If prompted, you may need to install or open the BlueStacks app player, which is essential for running Android applications. This step is important because it allows you to access the full range of apps available on Google Play. Next, sign in with your Google account. This step is necessary for downloading apps from the Play Store. Enter your Google account information and don't worry, your details are safe. Now click Install on the Google Play Store page. You will see the installation progress just as you did with the BlueStacks store. Once the installation is complete, open the app from My Games or the home screen. This makes sure everything is set up properly. As a note, BlueStacks X also supports cloud gaming. If you see a Try Instantly or Instant Play in Browser button instead of Install, it means the game is available to stream from the cloud. This feature can save you time and space on your device. And that wraps up our guide on how to download apps in BlueStacks X. Happy gaming!